Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the newest way to convert your Revolut referral points into real money in 2025. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't joined Revolut yet, check the link in the description to get a small bonus using my referral code. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Revolut app. Once you're inside, head to the bottom right corner where it says Rev Points. This is where you can track all your referral rewards. Currently, I'm on the standard plan and it shows how many points you earn per purchase. For me, each point is worth around $15. To convert these points to cash, scroll down and look for Pocket. This is the feature that allows you to turn your points directly into money. Once you open it, you'll see the pockets you got available and the option to activate your rewards. Here's how it works. Keep a minimum balance in your pocket. Receive points daily. Withdraw your money anytime. To activate this, Revolut requires a minimum balance in your pocket, usually between $1,000 and $1,500. This makes it perfect for larger purchases or frequent users. Once your balance meets the requirement, your points will start converting into cash automatically. And that's it. It's a simple, efficient way to get actual money from your Revolut referral points. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.